Good morning, and it is What I Ate Wednesday. It is 7:39. I got up at about 7 and had a shower, and I made a coffee, which you've already seen, and I'm now just getting the kids their breakfast and I'm going to dry my hair and do my orders, and then I will sit down to breakfast. I'm currently calorie counting and using the app Nutracheck. I'll put like a little screenshot of it on here. I am having about 1200 calories a day, give or take. I always have at least that. Sometimes I go up to like 1400 if I've done a lot of walking or if I'm just feeling extra hungry, because I'm not about feeling hungry. My first week was last week and I lost 3.4 pounds, so I'm really happy. Weigh day is Saturday and we will see how it goes. So I will see you in a minute for breakfast. That's where his snacks are. I see you, mister. I see you. So it's breakfast time. My hair looks like a triangle for some reason. I am having an apple, one and a bit of these rye cakes, the Ryvita ones, because they were all broken apart from like one. A Lindell's and some biscuit spread that I'm going to put on my crackers. As I said, it's 1200 calories a day that I'm having, or thereabouts, and I will put on the screen for everything that I eat what it is, and then a running total as well, so you guys can see. What's your issue? What's your issue? Can I help you? Can I have a kiss? Oi, mummy kiss? He's so mean. Mummy kiss? I normally just get slaps. What you want to do? You want to get down? Can you say hi? Good boy. Who's that baby in there? Hi. Blow a kiss? You give mummy a kiss? No, he's off. He's off. We're going. So yeah, I've got my biscuit spread. He's absolutely fine. He's just whinging because he can't get the dog's bowl of water because I put it behind a baby gate. He likes to tip it out all over my kitchen floor. I've moved it and that is why he is crying. He's fine. So yeah, this will shut him up. Look. Oh, come here. Biscuits, bread and a rice cracker. You just love rye cakes, don't you? Yeah. So I'm gonna go and eat this, and yeah, good breakfast. I put pictures on every day on my Instagram. I'm gonna lick this because I've counted the calories for it. I put all the pictures on my Instagram every day. If you don't want to watch a What I Ate Wednesday video, I do it every day on my Instagram, which I'll link down below for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go and eat this and I will see you at snack time. Hey, I'm just making my second drink of the day, or my third. I have a big sugar-free squash. I have this going all day. I have about 5 of these a day. But I'm now making my coffee shake. So it's 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, a little tiny bit of chocolate powder and 3 sweeteners, and then this is water and ice, and then there's like a splash of milk in there, and then hot water for half the cup. Give it a mix. Tip it in. And I want a little bit more cold in there. A little bit more cold. Then lid on, and I will blend this. And then that will last me the morning. Fox is down here just smashing stuff up. He's fine. Right, breakfast is the Lindals. I am gonna put on the screen how much each thing is in calories and then like a running total. And we'll have a proper chat later, but I'm hungry and I need to eat before he needs his milk and sleep. So I've got, yeah, a Lindals chocolate chip, which is like 60 calories or something. No, 95 calories. And then I've got 2 Ryvita rye cakes with 13 grams of biscuit spread Biscoff on the top. And then a chopped up pink lady apple. And then I've got an extra little bit of rye cake because Fox, he likes it and he steals mine. Now I'm like, well, I've counted my calories, I don't want you to steal mine. So I break him off a little extra bit from another one and then he has it. These are the all ripped. This is what I have. These ones, the packet never opens properly and they're all bloody broken. Yeah, that is what I'm having for my breakfast. So I will eat this and see you at snack time. Hey guys, it's lunchtime. I didn't get to have a snack because we've just been really busy. We've been moving some furniture, and by we I mean me and 3 children, one of whom is not even a year old yet, so it's been super fun. But my lunch is ready. I'm having a Diet Coke, caffeine free, and then I've got a muffin because it needed using, and then 3 rashers of bacon that I baked in the oven, 10 grams of popcorn, and some cherry tomatoes. I'll just turn it around so you can see. That is my lunch. Again, I will put the calories on the screen. I've not cut the fat off my bacon, but there is no butter or anything in my muffin. When I was always doing Slimming World and Weight Watchers, I was always cut the fat off the bacon, and the fat is the best bit. I'm not going to lie, so I'd rather just have a little bit now and then. It's still within calories, so yeah, I'm super excited to have this. I'm going to go and attempt to have it on the sofa. Excuse me, what are you doing hissing at me? I see. So yeah, the kids have all been fed and I need to get this in me quick before Fox needs his next nap. I'm very excited. I should say it's just plain popcorn, there's nothing on it. I am going to put some salt on it, but there's no fat or anything. I did it in my popcorn machine. My mum has had that since I was about 14 and she never ever used it, and then when she came around the other day I was like, can I have it? And so she brought it around for me, which is awesome. So now we can have popcorn whenever we want, without any extra fat or anything added to it. Fox, he's in the drawer. Right. It's afternoon snack time. Foxy's got his in the other room. I decided I wanted a couple of caramel rice cakes, and yeah. Can I help you? They're like 40 calories each or something. I'll put it on the screen. Can I get you a normal rice cake without sugar on it, please? I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna have a cup of tea, I think. Do I want a cup of tea? It's really hot. I might have another Diet Coke actually. But yeah, that is my snack for the afternoon. It is 3:23 in the PM, and I'm gonna go and attempt to eat this, but we'll see how much I actually get and how much Fartface gets. It's dinner time. I'm having corn crispy nuggets, some Alpha Bites, just a baby's tea basically, and then a load of broccoli, and I'm going to cook the broccoli and I'm going to put like a peanut sauce on it, and I'm very excited. I just watched one of my favourite TV ladies make it. What's her name? Molly Yeh. She's awesome. I've kind of adapted it a bit to make it with PB Fit rather than peanut butter, because peanut butter is like way more higher in calories than this is. So I'm just going to do this and see how we go. So I can't remember how to make it. I've literally just put it in my nutracheck thing. So I need 8 grams of this. What do you do with this? I haven't used this for so long. So I need 8 grams of this. 7, 8 grams of that, and then I'm going to put in a bit of hot water. I need spoon. I love PB Fit, it's so good for sauces and stuff. I don't like it as peanut butter because it's like, I don't know, I like crunchy peanut butter, but like for sauces it's perfect. So that's that. And then I need a teaspoon of sesame oil. And then a tablespoon of soy. And then a tablespoon of golden maple syrup. And then you can just leave it there and have that as your sauce. Like, if you make it with real peanut butter, it's really thick and amazing, but this is like an actual thin sauce. But it tastes so good. But because I like spicy stuff, I'm going to put in some sriracha as well. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. You can't see it, let me just... So it's really runny. I'm just going to have it as like a dippy sauce. So I won't actually eat all this. I'll probably only eat like a quarter of it. But I measure out the whole amount. And then if I want to use it all, I can. But I can dip my chips in it and my nuggets and my broccoli. So we'll come back when everything's cooked. This is my dinner. So I've got like half a plate of broccoli and then some apple bites, some corn chicken nuggets, which you cannot tell the difference. Then you can't tell that they're not normal nuggets. And then my sauce, yeah, and a million flies. So I'm gonna go and eat this before the flies land on it. But that is dinner. Right, this is my last thing for the day. It's a Häagen-Dazs lolly, a salted caramel one. So this is my pudding. This will take me slightly over calories, but with my steps that I've done today, I've done nearly 10,000, so it kind of evens itself out. But yeah. Morning. I realised after I went to bed last night that I didn't actually finish my why eat in a day video, so I'm finishing it now. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.